How to find recently downloaded apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Now, keep swiping left till you reach the app library page. Here, the apps are placed in different groups accordingly. For example, entertainment, social and more. As you can see, there is recently added group over here. Open it to view all the application you recently added to your phone. Alternatively, go back and open up App Store. Go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Here, go to Apps. You can view all your apps over here, starting from the most recent app you added. Following these steps, you can easily find recently downloaded apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.